All right, today in the shop we got a Chinese buggy. I really don't like working on him, but he's a local guy, so first problem was the ignition switch, whatever. But anyways, the fuel pump wasn't running, and it didn't have any ground to it. Had power, no ground. So I just jumped some ground to it, made the fuel pump run, still wouldn't start. Crank, no fire, so probably didn't have power to the injector or ground. Anyways, couldn't find much online, so I decided to just look for some green wires. Pulled off the CDI box, couldn't find a fuse panel, fuse box, nowhere. Well, there were screws that hold on each side of the CDI box. At least it looks like a CDI box. Take the cover off, there's the fuses hidden inside the CDI box. So, Massimo, I don't even know what the hell this thing is called. Massimo msu400. That red fuse right there was blown. Put a new fuse in, fuel pump runs. So she fires up now, but if you need to find your fuses, look inside somewhere that they shouldn't be. Thanks, China.